because I feel the most alive and protected at the same time. She is Rani in real life. I loved Rani. The moment I read her, I was like, I need to play her. He doesn't come with that superstar air around him. He's very grounded, very gracious, makes people feel comfortable around him.
Hello, welcome to Peeping Moon. This is Rupal Purohit. Today I'm in conversation with Radhika Madan. Hi Radhika, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Firstly, a big congratulations to Sarfira.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Movie is absolutely great. It is true a biographical drama, and your character, your acting, I've loved it.
Thank you so much.
The movie is critically acclaimed. It has received positive reviews from the audience and a positive word of mouth. So what was your reaction to the response the movie has received?
Oh my God, I'm so overwhelmed. Feeling extremely grateful, overjoyed, like how, and it's been great, yeah. Since the time it has released, only love is pouring in.
Right. You have shared the screen with Akshay Kumar and Paresh Rawal sir. Also, this movie is a biographical drama. So, what was your reaction when the movie was approached to you? When you got to know, okay, this Sarfira is being made and it is a biographical drama about Deccan Air and Captain Jia Gopinath. So, what was your response?
I was thrilled. I loved Rani. The moment I read her, I was like, I need to play her. She's phenomenal, and I was extremely excited. I didn't know at that point that Akshay sir is playing Veer, and when I heard about that, I was just like, wow, it's going to be quite a journey.
So, how was it working with Akshay Kumar and Paresh Rawal? So,
they're so gracious. I didn't have scenes with Paresh sir, but I did have Akshay sir, and he doesn't come with that superstar air around him. He's very grounded, very gracious, makes people feel comfortable around him, and I think that's the reason you're able to perform uninhibitedly in front of him, and it was amazing. It was amazing.
At what age, and which was the first Akshay Kumar film that you had watched?
I remember his spree of comedy films like Hera Fairy, Awara Pagal Deewana, Deewane Hue Pagal,
Right.
De Danadan, and I remember watching all of those films, and I used to love him like how, and he's such a good, he's one of the best actors in the comedy genre, especially.
Yes.
His comic timing is impeccable. So I remember, watching those films and remembering those dialogues. So a lot of times while shooting, I remember like he had this black briefcase he was carrying, and it was my reflex, and I was like, "Aap architect hai," and sharp eyes. And he's like, "Oh, you remember this dialogue?" I was like, "Yeah, I've seen those films. I love those films."
At that time, did you ever thought of working with him? Did you ever dreamt of?
Not at all. Not at all. I never dreamt of being here. I never dreamt of being an actor or my films coming on the big screen. So every time I watch myself on the big screen, I just tear up because मैं पीतमपुरा की लड़की हूँ यार. मेरा कोई परिवार नहीं था यहाँ पे. बॉम्बे में मेरे कोई रिश्तेदार भी नहीं है. Just come here and see yourself. Be there with people who you admire. It's an overwhelming feeling, and my parents also. I usually attend the first screening with my parents, and so whenever I'm like hiding my tears, I look to my left, and my mom is there crying, and my dad is there crying. So all three of us, we just keep crying whenever our name comes on the big screen. It's a dream come true. Like the life I'm living right now has been my dream, and I'm living it right now.
Your character is like a real life character. You essayed Rani, which is inspired from the wife of Captain Jia Gopinath. So how do you differentiate this character from other characters that you have played in movies so far?
I think the soul is the same. Of course, we try to make it we try to add a few more layers to the characters, to the character. Like Rani was Maharashtrian, so we did pick on the Marathi dialect, and we. I honestly approached it as how I approached the other roles as well. It's just that in the other roles, it's still fiction in your head.
Yeah.
This is a real life example.
Yes.
So it's way more truer for you. It's way more real for you. Like, this has happened. So there's nothing like कि अरे ये कुछ बना देंगे, कुछ हो जाएगा. So authenticity काफी होती है इस character के अंदर. But my approach was just the same, of finding truth in that character and giving it my all, from learning Marathi to picking on the body language, listening to Marathi songs, and not forgetting that soul, not forgetting the struggles of that soul. So I just try to do that, and I feel just happy for her because the love that Rani is receiving is because of her.
Yes. Your character is herself different. It has her, the character has her own stand in the movie. She is an entrepreneur. So, ever in your life, did you ever thought of, if you weren't an actor, did you ever thought of starting a business?
Never. Maybe I would have opened a dance studio. That would have been my thing. But that would have been one business if you can see it. But I wanted to be a professional dancer. After that, it was just acting. So I don't know in the future. Of course, I'm inspired by these stories, and I'm like, can I open a production house? I don't know. But I'm more inclined towards like writing a script or something like that. I don't know if I'm that smart with money.
So you're thinking to tap on different aspects?
Yes, I would want to. Like, at some point in my life, I am inclined towards that. And I know you need to be like really sharp and like a shark when it comes to business. I feel I'm kind of naive when it comes to that, and I like just creating things and just performing a lot. So I can get inspired from them, but I don't think I'm ready to be an entrepreneur.
But maybe we definitely will get
Never
to
say
see
never.
this one day.
Yeah, never say never.
You're right. Radhika, coming from a business family, how this key of acting came to you?
I don't know. It was luck for me. It was fate for me. I wanted to be a professional dancer, and I remember like there was some auditions happening in Delhi, and I was called for one randomly through my Facebook account. I don't know. I doubted the credibility of it, but I still went for it. And I vividly remember I coming in front of the camera and feeling extremely safe. I never felt that in my life. Maybe when I used to perform in front of the audience, but not that safe. So I kept chasing that feeling. That what is it? Why can't I see people around me when between action and cut? How am I so present? And I kept chasing that feeling more and more, and I kept taking risks for that feeling. And somehow I've reached here. And till now, that feeling is something that motivates me to go on set every day. Because I feel the most alive and protected at the same time in front of the camera. And I hope I never get to know what that feeling is.
Talking about acting, how do you see your journey from a television actor to a movie star now?
I'm really grateful for it. I believe I've grown as a human being a lot. And if you grow as a human being, I think it translates in your craft as well. And I never want to stop learning. I never want to stop being a student. So I see my journey and I feel proud of it from where I started and where I've reached. But I do feel that there's long way to go. Like, I have much bigger dreams for myself, and I really want to live as many lives as I can in this lifetime. and I hope I get to do it. I get to play till my last breath.
Right. We have seen you in many movies. We have seen you in Angrezi Medium, in Sarfira. So, are you satisfied with the kind of roles that you're doing now?
Definitely, like I was satisfied from the word go. Like when I did Pataka or Mat Ko Dard Nahi Hota, Angrezi, Shiddat,
Yes.
every project, I feel extremely privileged that I got that opportunity, and I got to live that life, and yeah, I feel extremely grateful for that.
You know, it is said that television actors are meant for small screens. However, yet, including you, there are many actors who have made it to movies.
Mhm.
So, how do you react to this statement?
In my head, an actor is an actor,
Hmm.
no matter what the medium is.
Of course, of course.
It's a block in people's head, maybe. I never got to experience it. I did hear a lot of comments when I was transitioning from people in the television industry that you're never going to make it, or don't come back if you don't make it there, or they see television actors in a certain way, but I never got to experience it. I was being judged for what I was performing at that audition, on that particular audition. So um I've heard stories where people have experienced it, but luckily I never experienced it.
That's good, and that's how it should be, because, as you just said, any actor is an actor, no matter whatever the platform is.
It's also because I also didn't see myself just as a television actor.
Right.
So I don't know. It's also how you. I don't know. I believe that an actor is an actor. So that energy is also something that you carry with yourself. But I've heard stories where people have experienced other things, and that's not fair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it is actually good to see you succeed in your life. I remember you working in Aashiki Tumse Hi, then you made a debut with Pataka, Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota. I watched that movie. That is also a very good movie.
Oh,
Then I
okay.
watched Shiddat also. So I've seen your journey. Now we come to Sarfira, which is a biographical drama.
Mm-hmm.
So, were you aware of this movie, which is based on Deccan Air? Were you aware of Deccan Air before you got on board?
Yes. I remember my parents talking about the airline and saying that ek rupee ki ticket hai.
Huh.
So I was aware of Deccan Air for sure.
So, when you were aware, when this evolution came in, or before the movie, when you got to know about it?
Like I got reminded of it when I read the script
Mhm.
that oh yes, there was this airline, Deccan Air, and now it has become so common for us to travel in a low cost airline
Right.
that we never, took a pause and thought about who started it, how did it come into the picture. So then I was remembering in my childhood, like people used to talk about Deccan Air, and Ek Rupee Ki Ticket was very popular
Yes.
at that point, and I was like, we need to celebrate this man. It's such an important story.
Definitely. When you recall this time, did you also recall taking benefits of this low cost airline, or maybe taking benefit of this aviation evolution that came to the industry, that came to our lives?
My parents did. I didn't travel much at that point. When I started traveling, other low cost airlines had come into the picture, and so I think my parents vividly remembered how it came and who started it and all of that.
Okay. Sarfira is directed by Sudha ma'am, and who also directed the National Award winning Surari Potru.
Correct.
So, how was it working with the director?
Oh, she's a joy to work with. She is so clear, passionate. She is Rani in real life,
Oh.
and it was beautiful how she took stand of Rani in every scene and how clear she was. And she's a very real person. She doesn't sugarcoat things. She says it as is, and it's amazing to work with a person who's that honest, because that reflects in her work as well. Her work is so honest because she is honest as a human being.
We like to see you in more and more movies. So, what is your next goal as an actor?
I just want to keep doing things which scare the hell out of me. I want to live different lives and offer people, projects which they haven't seen me in, and they can't see me in actually, because it'll be fresh for them, and that is all I want to do, and I want to keep growing, keep evolving as a human being, and that is
And
it.
that's true. You have evolved from television to movies as an actor, of course, and we have seen you in the web series also.
Correct.
Saz Bahu and Flamingo.
Mhm.
When do we get to see second season?
I have no idea. I from my last conversation, I think it was being written, and I hope Homi writes it soon and Homi gets on it soon.
Your character was highly impressive and it received praises from audience.
Thank
so we are
you.
waiting to see you again.
Thank
in
you so
season
much.
2. Ending the conversation, I would like to know what are your upcoming projects?
I think the next is going to be Rumi Ki Sharafat. That's my 5th project with Maddock, and it's a comedy, so it's going to be a nice flavor for people to see me in. And the other one is called Sana. It did its festival rounds all around the world. It got me my first International Best Actor trophy, and I think it's going to release this year for the people we intended to make it for.
Lovely, we are waiting.
Thank
And
you.
congratulations for your movie.
Thank you
and
so much.
Congratulations for your success.
Thank you.
And all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.